Forward, stretch your arms in front, rest your upper body. 25 seconds. It's almost done. Wait while sitting. For both sides. Stand on your knees, extend your arms above your head. Put one foot forward, then slowly move your upper body back and forth. 50 seconds. Switch the sides. It's almost done. Wait while standing. Extend your arms to the sides. While leaning forward, touch one foot with the opposite hand. 25 seconds. It's almost done. Wait while standing. For both sides. Extend one arm over your head and bend your elbow. Grab your elbow with the opposite hand and gently bend at the waist to the side of the bent elbow. 50 seconds. Switch the sides. It's almost done. Sit on the floor. Sit on your knees, lean forward, stretch your arms in front, rest your upper body. 50 seconds. It's almost done. Sit on the floor. Sit with the sole of your feet, pressing each other, then extending your arms. Bend forward with your upper body. 55 seconds. Almost done. Lie on your back. For both sides, lie on your back. By twisting your spine and hips, cross one leg over the other. Hold your knee with your opposite hand. Keep your opposite arm outstretched. 100 seconds. Switch the sides. Get supine position. Lie on your back, bend your knees towards your chest at a 90-degree angle. Face the soles of your feet up and hold the outside of your feet. 45 seconds. It's almost done. Stand on your knees and hands. Stand on your forearms and knees. Open your knees wide to the sides. Turn your feet outwards as well. Hold the position. 50 seconds. Done. Stand on your knees and hands. Stand on your hands and knees, arch your back down, then arch your back toward the ceiling. Repeat the movement. 50 seconds.